Hey, what's going on, guys? I've been using this Waterdrop glass pitcher. I gotta tell you, I really like it a lot more than I expected. I like how nice and clean it looks, so I like to just leave it out on my counter so I can have water available for the family that's filtered. You do have the option if you want to fill it straight out of the tap. I actually decided to fill it from my fridge. Anyway, so I use the filtered water to pour it straight into the tap, but you can use the tap water too. I like that it comes with the 5-stage water filter, so it takes out any like odors, chlorine, heavy metals, stuff like that. So it just leaves you with nice fresh water. A quick thing to point out, it's not a TDS remover, so it doesn't remove total dissolved solids. That's intentional, not a design flaw. The other thing that I really like is that it has this really cool dial up top that's labeled for your month. So it has 1 through 12, and then the dial has these little marks on it to show you, basically as a quick reminder, so you can set it to see what month you replace your filter and then what month you need to replace it again. So these filters are good for about 3 months, so it was about 100 gallons of water. So if you replace it in July, you want to replace it again by September. It's just a really cool way to know when you have to change it as opposed to trying to remember. So setup was really easy. You take it out of the box and you can see all the pieces it comes with. It's just a few parts. So you have the silicone base to help keep it from sliding, of course your glass pitcher, and then your lid, and then the little container in here that you fill up the water that also holds the filter cartridge. So the first thing you want to do when you open it up before you use it is to grab the filter and pop it out and then soak it in a container of water for about 10 minutes or so, and that releases all of the air that's trapped inside. So I did that, and while I was waiting, I went ahead and hand washed everything because you can't put this in the dishwasher, so make sure you hand wash everything. So by the time it finished soaking, I had everything hand washed and I just put it back together. So then I just went ahead and filled it up with filtered water from my fridge, and that was it. So I always have fresh filtered water in my face on the counter so I can't forget to drink it. So another quick thing to note, it's good for, I think it was like 7 or 8 glasses of water. The filtration speed is really quick, so it's not like you pour the water in and have to sit and wait all day. You know, you pour it in, you wait a couple minutes, and you're good to go, and you have a couple glasses of water there. So if you don't mind filling it up during dinner or whatever, you can go ahead and fill it up, and obviously it's good for more people. It's a really nice looking product, so anybody who's looking to have filtered water without having a big like reverse osmosis setup or just anything that's really complicated that requires plumbing, this is definitely a good thing to do. I definitely really like this product and recommend it.